We've talked a ton on this channel about the EIDL and the PPP loans, and today I've got yet another video on what you can use your EIDL money for. So stay tuned because this one is actually really kind of cool. Tax Goddess here. If you'd like to learn how Tax Goddess helps 6, 7, and 8-figure entrepreneurs and investors reduce their taxes, grow giant retirement accounts, create cash flow, and save millions of dollars on major deals, go to taxgoddess.com now. Now, in today's video, we are covering extraordinary uses of the EIDL funds. There's a lot of concerns about, hey, listen, I got this EIDL loan, but there's only certain things that I can use it for, these ordinary and necessary bills. Listen, they came out with a list of top three extraordinary items that you can use the EIDL funds for. So, now, these would be not regular or normal bills. Okay, that's really why this one is so important. So the first one is temporary rent or storage fees, additional advertising costs, right? Expanding your advertising costs. So that's huge, all right? Because you've lost all these clients, you're trying to keep your business afloat. They're giving you permission to up that advertising budget. EIDL funds to up advertising budget. Awesome. Number 2, accelerated debts that are due to the disaster. Now, this one, we have quite a few clients that work in industries where they get like a commission, but the event maybe hasn't actually happened yet. And so for these particular professionals, they're actually having to go backwards and repay these debts, okay? This was their money, but now they're having to give these commissions back. Guess what, guys? Number 2, that is an accelerated debt due to the disaster, all right? So if you have an accelerated debt due to the disaster, you can use EIDL funds for that, okay? And the third one is inventory replacement, which may be an extraordinary item. Okay, so for example, in the spring, a clothing store that is in a disaster area, well, they might have tank tops and shorts, but now we're into summer and, now people are starting to already look at what are we buying maybe for fall, what's coming up in the sale. Food is a huge one. Restaurants, okay? Many of the restaurants, when you got shut down, you had food inventory on hand. When that went bad, right, you had to replace it. You can use your EIDL funds to replace those inventory items. Now, again, the definition here, normally the EIDL is only to be used for ordinary, right, ordinary, necessary, normal bills, okay? But in this case, it can be used for these extraordinary items. And the definition here, it's defined as needs, I'm reading it specifically so you have the wording, needs outside of normal operations and directly caused by the disaster. That's huge, okay? So I'm going to say it again. Needs outside of normal operations and directly caused because of the disaster, okay? So if you have expenses that are like that, all right, and you were worried about using the EIDL funds for that purpose, they've now put it's in writing, okay? You can actually use the EIDL funds for those purposes. So this is huge. If you have questions, post them down below about what might be, directly caused by the disaster or out of normal operations. This is huge, guys. So again, if you have not applied for your PPP loan, there's still PPP round 2 money out there. Go get that money, all right? That, of course, check our other videos. That has been expanded to 24 weeks and 60% use for payroll, which is huge. And then, of course, we've got the EIDL funds, which if you got that is a loan, but you have to use the loan for specified purposes. Specified purposes just got expanded. You can now use those on needs outside of normal operations and directly caused by the disaster. Okay, so huge. So reach out to your CPA, or better yet, reach out to your tax strategist if you have any questions on whether your loans and your proceeds from your loans are going to qualify for your necessary expense. Guys, thanks for being a part of the Tax Goddess family. Number 1, subscribe to our channel and click the little notification bell to make sure that you get our new videos as they come out. Number 2, if you're not sure where to start, but you want to come and learn from our team and you want to work with like-minded people, join our Facebook group, Tax Strategies That Save Entrepreneurs thousands. Number 3, if you want some help right now because you've got a burning issue, you need something solved, you want to lower your taxes or need a tax strategy plan, you've got a big deal happening, you're worried about the tax consequences, or you just want a professional team that's actually going to give you guidance about your taxes and tax strategies that can apply to you and your business, reach out to us on taxgoddess.com. Just click the little link that says make an appointment. So we'll see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.